Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document. The first step in the conversion process from PDF to Word document is to open up Microsoft Word. Once you have Microsoft Word open, you don't have to do anything else. The first screen that shows up is where you want to be, and the next step is to locate your PDF document and just drag it into the Word application. So I'm going to take my sample PDF document and just drag it into the Word document interface. After you let go of the PDF inside of Microsoft Word, you'll get a warning message, and it's basically just telling you that Microsoft Word might not be able to optimize some of the text, and it might not be able to handle some of the formatting, especially if the content contains a lot of graphics. So you're just going to hit the OK button, and then your document will be converted from PDF to a Microsoft Word document, and you can take that and just go File and save it to a location on your computer. Alright, now you can close out the document, or you can continue editing and fixing the document. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.